For much of human existence, people have been looking for what their place is in the world, what our object of life is. And for me, it is to have a life of experience that helps yield experiences for others. My name is Shawn Murphy, and this is my why. Hey, Linda, how is it going today?
I'm doing pretty good.
Good. I wanted to make this visit to see how your breathing was going today. I work for Henry Ford eHome Care. I'm one of the telehealth nurses. One of our core values here at Henry Ford is innovation, and we brought that to bear when using telehealth to help meet the goals of the Affordable Care Act and in helping to make Henry Ford a high reliable and an accountable care organization. We're leveraging the technology to the fullest extent of its abilities to try to assess the patients and get a better sense of where they're at that day.
Now, how's your activity level?
I get up and do a little work around the house.
So then you have more time now to create a rapport with the patient, because that therapeutic relationship actually is what allows you to get a little further into their reality.
Shawn is present in the moment when he is talking to his patients. He does not allow the clock to get in his way. If he's working with a patient, he doesn't worry about the next thing he has to do.
Well, one of the great things about using telehealth with this patient population is that it builds bridges between people who might have had difficulty with technology or thinking that they can't or can't afford to have stuff like that in their lives. You know, Henry Ford is generous enough to share this with them.
Then I sit down, and then I get up again after I
For
run.
some people, this technology looks like Star Trek, but for me, it really looks more like Fisher-Price, and we're working towards Star Trek. With each patient I get to work with, it's going to be a new discovery, like a new adventure of what is going on with their life. You might be able to get to the heart of what the issue is within just 5 minutes and then get the message out to a physician who can act on it right away.
Shawn is a great employee because his engagement is at such a high level, and he holds all of his teammates and himself to a very high standard.
It really is the best job you can possibly imagine. A lot of people think it's the best job because it's like a cake job, but it's not a cake job. It's you have to be able to navigate all these things and find the heart of the information. But to me, it's fun because it's like a game, but it's a game that matters.